let's talk about sleeve wear.
So with the traditional collet, the sleeve pushes forward to open and close the collet. That means the collet is rubbing against the sleeve every time it opens and closes. So the sleeves wear out over time. They degrade slowly but surely. With our microconic system, our cartridge fits inside the sleeve and does not move in the sleeve. The sleeve pushes forward and pushes our cartridge forward, but it does not move in the sleeve, so it will not wear the taper of your sleeve. So if you get a brand new machine, you put one of our cartridges in it, that sleeve is going to remain pristine for years. All the wear will be handled by our cartridge, which is made of this exotic high chromium tool steel, which is extremely wear resistant. They last many years with full accuracy.